Hello, Kostas here, and I'm gonna show you very fast how you can recover your streaming using Azuracast Freespirits streaming. Okay, in case you have any kind of issues, and it happens, our servers are working 24 hours a day and 7 days a week. So you might deal with any kind of problem because sometimes you broadcast and you don't just use the auto DJ. In any case, if you just deal with any kind of these issues and you see that the streaming is down, or even if you see that the server is up and you see no problem, the only easy thing that could fix this issue is just to come here to broadcasting service, no matter if you're using Shoutcast or Icecast, and you just click restart over here. The next thing to do is just to confirm that you're sure that you want to restart the service. You just click confirm, and that's all. Everything is gonna be back in normal, and you're gonna see that your service is gonna be back in normal and working normally. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I will see you to the next one. Bye bye.